Once upon a time, deep inside a lush green forest, there lived a kind elephant named Gajraj. He was a friend to everyone. Every day he went to the river to drink water, and with his long trunk he would gently give water to the little animals. Birds sang sweet songs on his back, and rabbits played around him. The whole forest felt like one big family. But one day, some people came into the forest. They started cutting down the trees. One after another, the great trees fell. The birds lost their nests. The deer lost their open fields, and the air filled with smoke and dust. The little rabbits cried in fear. Then Gajraj rushed forward and stood before the humans. He raised his mighty trunk and said, "These trees are not just wood. They are our homes, our lives." The people froze in silence. One of them said softly, "We didn't know we were hurting you. We were only doing our work." Tears rolled down Gajraj's eyes. He said, "When you cut these trees, we lose our shade. The birds lose their nests, and you lose the very air you breathe." The people lowered their axes. They stopped cutting the trees and promised, "From now on, for every tree we cut, we will plant 2 more." From that day, peace returned to the forest. The birds sang again, the air smelled of fresh earth, and Gajraj smiled and said, "Nature never cries if humans learn to listen." Dear friends, always remember, nature is our home. If we care for it with love, it will fill our lives with love in return.